HICCTV Security Group.
Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Here we have another installation for house, and she needs two cameras. We want to install two cameras, 8 megapixel, one with a speaker, the other without a speaker. The camera without the speaker, 8 megapixel, will be installed there, and to cover all this area, and in front, also in front of the door, garage, driveway, and also the other camera with the speaker will be installed here. Because, as she said to us, she wants to see everyone who brings any delivery or some things in front of the door. She wants to see and also talk to someone who are in front of the door. And in the next, videos, you will see exactly how we can install these two cameras, and you will see the performance. Thank you.